Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. This week we're hopping into Chapter 4, Sleep, Your Body, and Your Mind. You know, when we're talking about sleep and rest, but sleep in particular, that's one of the areas that we often most neglect and deprive our body of its most fundamental needs. The chapter does a great job of explaining the benefits of sleep, but also the detriments of not getting adequate rest and sleep. It's essential for your body to have that time to repair itself and just to rest and rejuvenate. And so the text goes into a great job with that. Your mind, and we've talked about stress management and psychological health. It's funny how sleep is impacted by your mind and the stress levels that you're experiencing and the worries and anxieties that we have. And so the book's continuing on this process of being intentional and mindful of focusing on our mental and emotional health and also how that impacts our body. And so in the video you've got, or this week you've got this video, a video on dozing and driving. That's one of the most dangerous events in society today, or people, as we said, we just don't get adequate rest. We overwork ourselves, we overextend ourselves, and then we get behind the wheel of a vehicle. And so there's tremendous hazards there, which the video will illustrate perfectly. You've got your PowerPoint to support you with the quiz. Also, you've got your lab. It should be maybe 20 to 25 minutes on that lab. And then your quiz is about 60 questions. So another pretty lengthy quiz. It was actually 90 questions from what the text gave us, and I was able to weed out about 30 questions. So I left the material that I felt was important for you to have a basic understanding of. All right, well, I hope your semester's going well. I know on my end it looks like everything's going great. We have great participation, and for the most part, grades are outstanding. Remember, on these quizzes, you can keep taking it until you get the correct answer, and you don't have to repeat all questions. You just have to correct the ones that you missed. So I really can't make that any easier for you. And with the labs, don't get caught up on right or wrong answers. Those are really more about you. All right, that's kind of thought-provoking and reflective type answers. Trust me, as long as you're completing the labs, I'm not as worried about the grade there as I am about you just doing some self-assessments and reflecting there. Okay, well, as always, I'm here for you if you have any questions, and just to email away. Take care and have a great week.